It's written for a home, for a wonderful couple. Been so nice to us. Written for a cabin up there.
And they named the cabin called Malu because there's a huge koa tree in the front yard, and it kind of is the Malu, it's the protector, it's the thing that kind of shades the house. And so we love it up there so much. They let us stay there whenever we want, and they're this old couple, and they're so sweet. But so they let us stay there whenever we want. So
we've all spent time there, so they know this place well.
So we decided to commemorate this place in song, and we wrote a song called Koa Malu, and Frankie and Lilina, they're gonna share this hula that is a great hula, a great expression of this song. Anyway, off of our first album, Koa Malu.